Hello everyone, in today's video we're going to see what you can do if you want to change servers on Last War survival game. You can still change your server by creating a new character. So simply what you can do is to create a new character. First of all, you'll go on your profile, this screen right here, and from there you will see this. You will access your profile after you tap on the profile icon on the top left corner. Now once you do that, you will open your account settings. As you can see right here, this is the account settings option, and from there you will manage characters. You will press on manage characters right here, and from there you will go on create new character. Now of course, when you create a new character, you can change the server. You can change the server according to your own will, and of course the characters you make will be saved right here. So you will just press on manage characters and you'll just create a new character. Then you'll create a new character how you normally create a character and choose the server that you want to change. If you want to do it on the same account, then the only thing that you can do is wait until they introduce a feature where you can change the server on the same character. Thanks for watching and subscribe for more.